From bloating to constipation, decode digestive problems in the kitchen. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Nutrition Wellspring. Today, we're talking about something familiar to many, digestive issues. From occasional bloating to bothersome constipation, these discomforts can put a real damper on our day. But before we hit the panic button, let's explore the amazing connection between what we eat and how we digest. Often, the solutions to digestive woes can be found right in our kitchens. Our digestive system works like a well-oiled machine, breaking down food into nutrients our bodies can absorb. It's a complex process, but the basic idea is this: food travels through the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and finally out. Did you know there's a whole world living inside your gut? Tiny bacteria, called the gut microbiome, play a crucial role in digestion and overall health. A study found that a balanced gut microbiome is linked to better digestion, immune function, and even mental health. Now, let's dive into some common digestive issues. Bloating. Feeling like a balloon after a meal? This can be caused by certain foods, swallowing air, or even stress. According to a study, up to 30% of adults experience bloating. Constipation. Trouble going? This often comes from a lack of fiber in your diet or dehydration. Diarrhea. The opposite problem. Frequent loose stools can be caused by food intolerance, infection, or even anxiety. The good news is, food can be a powerful tool for managing these issues. Let's explore some dietary strategies. Bloating. Limit gassy vegetables like broccoli and beans initially, especially if you're not used to them. Eat smaller, more frequent meals, and identify any food intolerances that might be causing trouble. Consider peppermint tea for occasional relief. Here's a simple recipe. Peppermint tea recipe. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried peppermint leaves in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Constipation. Fiber is your friend. Aim for 25 to 35 grams of fiber daily from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice. Research highlights the importance of fiber for regulating digestion and promoting gut health. Stay hydrated with water and herbal teas. Here's a simple and effective recipe for constipation relief. High-fiber smoothie recipe. Blend together 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1 cup of spinach or kale, 1/2 banana, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and a cup of water or plant-based milk. This smoothie provides a good dose of fiber and promotes hydration. Diarrhea. Focus on bland foods like bananas, rice, and applesauce. These are gentle on your digestive system and help replace lost fluids. Replenish lost fluids and electrolytes with oral rehydration solutions or coconut water. Brad electrolyte drink recipe. Mix together 1 mashed banana, 1 tablespoon of rice cereal, 1/2 cup of applesauce, and a pinch of salt in 1 cup of water or clear broth. This recipe provides some electrolytes and easily digestible carbohydrates to help with recovery. Don't forget these gut heroes: prebiotics and probiotics. Prebiotics are the food for your good gut bacteria, found in foods like onions, garlic, artichokes, asparagus, and chicory root. Probiotics, like those in yogurt and kefir, are live bacteria that can directly benefit your gut health. Consider incorporating both into your diet. Beyond food, some healthy habits can work wonders for digestion. Stress management. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your gut. Techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing can create a calmer inner environment and improve digestion. Exercise. Regular physical activity keeps your digestive system moving and promotes overall well-being. For more information on the topics covered in this video, please see the resources in the description. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of digestive health. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Nutrition Wellspring for more evidence-based tips on keeping your body feeling its best.